Baby out driving, tried to teach her to drive, but she dropped the clutch just a bit too much, and we're both lucky just to be alive. Drove my baby away. There's not much more to say. My baby out driving, she nearly drove me mad. She seemed to have no cares as she ground my gears. Just lost the second best thing that I ever had. Drove my baby away. There's not much more to say. Took my baby out driving, kinda drove us apart. Maybe this won't surprise you. Now it's just me and my Chrysler, with a warped head and a broken heart.